In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order checks through the Bank of America mobile app. If you've ever needed to order checks without the hassle of visiting a bank branch or logging onto a computer, then this guide is perfect for you. Let's walk through the process step by step so that you can do this easily and conveniently right from your phone. First, grab your smartphone and open the Bank of America mobile app. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your credentials and sign into your account. Make sure your internet connection is stable to avoid any interruptions during this process. Once logged in, you'll be at the home screen where you'll have access to your account's overview and various features of the app. Next, locate the menu or profile icon on your screen. This is typically represented by the familiar three-line hamburger menu icon found either at the top left or top right corner of your screen depending on your device. Tap on this icon to reveal a list of available options and services within the app. Here, you want to find and tap on the option labeled Accounts. This will display a list of all your accounts linked to Bank of America, including savings, checking, and any other relevant accounts you have. Once you've accessed your accounts, select the specific checking account for which you need to order checks. After selecting the account, scroll down through the list of options available until you find Order Checks and Deposit Tickets. Tap on this option to proceed to the ordering section. In the ordering section, you'll have the chance to customize your checks. You can select the design and quantity of checks you prefer. Bank of America gives you various design options, so you can choose something that suits your personal style. Additionally, you'll need to choose your preferred shipping option. Consider how quickly you need the checks and choose a shipping method accordingly. Before finalizing your order, it's important to review all the details. Double-check the design, quantity, shipping address, and method. Confirm that everything is accurate to avoid any mistakes that might lead to delays or additional costs. Once you're satisfied with all the particulars, confirm your order. After completing these steps, you should receive a confirmation email from Bank of America indicating that your order is being processed. This email will provide you with any additional information you might need and usually includes an estimate of when your checks will arrive. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily order checks through the Bank of America mobile app. This convenient feature saves you time and effort, allowing you to manage your finances more efficiently from anywhere. Thank you for watching, and happy banking!